The wait is finally over. And if you've been holding onto your old iPad mini, waiting for a reason to upgrade, the latest leaks from Cupertino just changed everything. We are talking about a total transformation that shifts the iPad mini 5 from a portable companion to a legitimate pocket-sized powerhouse that might actually outshine the iPad Pro in one specific, mind-blowing way. For years, the biggest complaint about the Mini has been the display, that 60Hz LCD that many called medieval for a 2026 device. But the leaked supply chain data confirms that Apple is finally pulling the trigger on a massive display overhaul. We are looking at a brand new Samsung-sourced OLED panel that is set to debut on the iPad Mini 8. This isn't just about deeper blacks and infinite contrast. The rumors are swirling that Apple is finally bringing promotion 120Hz technology to the Mini. Imagine the smoothest scrolling and most responsive gaming you've ever experienced on an 8.3-inch canvas. Some leakers even suggest a slight bump in screen size to 8.7 inches by shaving down those bezels, giving you more immersion without increasing the footprint of the device. This OLED transition is part of Apple's Vision 2026 strategy to move their entire premium lineup away from aging LCD technology. Under the hood, the leaks get even more insane. While the current Mini 7 uses the A17 Pro, the iPad Mini 8 is rumored to skip a generation and land straight on the A20 Pro chip. This is Apple's first 2nm processor, a piece of silicon so advanced it's expected to offer a 15% boost in raw CPU performance and a staggering 30% improvement in power efficiency. But the real story is the neural engine. With the 2026 version of Apple Intelligence rolling out, this chip is being designed to handle local LLMs and advanced AI features that were previously reserved for the Mac. We're talking about real-time video generative AI and liquid glass multitasking, a new feature in iPadOS 20 that allows Windows to fluidly resize and snap in a way that makes the small screen feel twice as large. Gamers, listen closely. The A20 Pro's GPU is rumored to deliver a 69% frame rate boost in AAA titles. This makes the iPad Mini 8 the undisputed king of handheld gaming, potentially killing off the need for dedicated gaming consoles for many enthusiasts. But Apple isn't just stopping at the screen and the chip. One of the most insider leaks we've seen involves a complete internal redesign to make the iPad Mini 5 the first ever fully water-resistant iPad. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is experimenting with a vibration-based speaker system that eliminates traditional speaker holes. This technology uses the entire chassis to resonate sound, allowing the device to be submerged without the risk of water damage. This would be a game-changer for pilots, travelers, and anyone who uses their Mini in rugged environments. Connectivity is also getting a pro-level bump with the inclusion of the N1 chip for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, alongside Apple's custom C1X modem for lightning-fast 5G. Even the camera is rumored to move to a landscape orientation, finally fixing the awkward video call angle that has plagued the Mini for generations. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price and the release date. High-end OLED panels and 2nm chips aren't cheap. Multiple analysts are predicting a $100 price hike, which would push the starting price of the iPad Mini 5 to around $599 or even $649 for the base model. As for when you can get your hands on it, the supply chain is pointing toward a late 2026 launch window, likely in October, to align with a new iPhone 18 Pro. However, there's a small chance of a sneak peek or early announcement during a March event if production scales faster than expected. If these leaks hold true, the iPad Mini 5 won't just be an update. It will be a Mini Pro in everything but name. If you're thinking about buying an iPad right now, you might want to pause. The gap between the current tech and what's coming in 2026 is a chasm you don't want to fall into. This is the device that will define the next 5 years of ultra-portable computing. And from what we're seeing, it's going to be worth every single second of the wait.